How to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if there's no sound coming up from the connected device. Now, it might be that you have connected your phone to speaker and that you are connected but the sound is not coming up. Now it might be a glitch or a bug. The first thing you can do is check the volume by tapping on the volume button on your phone and make sure it's not fully off and make sure it's on and try playing a sound, and if it still doesn't play it or if it still doesn't play, what you want to do is try disconnecting the Bluetooth and then connecting it again. Simply tap on settings and tap on disconnect on pair and then connect it. However, if this doesn't help, you might want to restart your phone and reset your phone. Tap or press and hold the power button and you'll get an option to power off and restart. Simply tap on restart and restart your device and it should fix the issue. Once you do this, get back to Bluetooth and connect it and try playing, and this will fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.